Promoting your ebook for free involves leveraging various online platforms and strategies to reach your audience. Utilize social media. Share teasers, excerpts, or tips from your ebook on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Engage with your audience by hosting Q&A sessions or discussions related to your book's topic. Guest blogging and content sharing. Write guest posts for blogs related to your ebook's niche. Offer valuable insights and include a link to your ebook. Also, share excerpts or related content on platforms like Medium, LinkedIn articles, or your own blog if you have one. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters or updates about your ebook's launch or special promotions. Offer exclusive content or discounts to subscribers. Online communities and forums. Participate in relevant online communities, forums, or Reddit threads related to your ebook's topic. Provide value, answer questions, and subtly mention your ebook where appropriate. Collaborate with influencers or reviewers. Reach out to influencers or book reviewers in your niche. Offer them a free copy in exchange for an honest review or a mention on their platforms. Offer free chapters or samples. Provide free samples or chapters of your ebook on platforms like Amazon, your website, or social media to entice readers.